knows my crush, and he's still a handsome guy. Oh my, he knows he's my crush. Oh my God.
Go.
Go.
Hey guys, did you see my
Go.
Go.
Yes, she's so beautiful. Go, talk to her.
Go.
Hi, Nova.
Oh, hi Chris. Why are you here?
Nothing.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Chris, did you see Eliza?
No.
Okay.
Bye.
Oh my God, guys, did you see Nova and Chris talking to each other?
Go. Go.
Oh my God, Nova is in love. Yeah, I think he's in love with Nova.
Go.
Oh my God, you're so beautiful.
Go.
Oh my God, your hair is so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
3.
Oh my God, guys, did you see Chris pulled the hair of Nova? Yeah, I think Nova's hair is so shiny. And what about us? I have an idea. Let's go talk to Nova and ask what's her secret. Let's go. Hi, Nova. Oh, hi, Shirley. Hi, Liza. Hi, Queenie. Oh, why are you here? Is there anything you want? Actually, we would ask what is the secret about your hair because it's so smooth. Yeah, I love your hair. It's so shiny. Yeah.
Oh, Charlie, Eliza, and Queenie, I just want you to know that the shampoo I'm just using is Sunshine Shampoo. This shampoo helps me so that my hair is so shine. So try it out.
Go.
So this shampoo makes your hair smooth and shiny?
Yes.
Go.
Thank you, Nova, for helping us about our hair, and thanks for your secret.
Oh, you're always welcome. So have a nice hair tomorrow. Bye.
Bye! This so smells good.
Go. Next morning.
Go!
Hi, Lisa.
Hi, Chris. Thanks for getting my book.
Go.
Oh, Chris, go ahead now.
Hey!
Go.
Go. Sunshine shampoo and conditioner. With aloe vera and coconut oil, it helps our hair stronger and shinier for only 35 pesos.
Sunshine Shampoo, a signature of love.